Hi, I'm Brooklyn with Iconic Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to show you how to clean or replace the silicone flapper in the Mahlkonig E80 Supreme. First, we'll slide the grind adjustment ring to the coarsest setting. Next, we'll take off the hopper and set it off to the side. On the inside ring, you'll see two adjustment screws. You can unscrew them to be even with the height of the bezel or remove them. Next, we'll jostle the inner ring back and forth and up and down until it moves into the unlocked position. Now, I'll lift off the top faceplate of the grinder. As you can see here, this is where the silicone flapper lives if you need to replace it. Take a dry microfiber rag and wipe off the flapper until it's clean. Now, I'll reinsert it and put the grinder back together. We'll place the faceplate back on top, move the inner ring to the locked position, screw our screws back in, reaffix our hopper, and return to our original grind setting. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully cleaned the silicone flapper for the Mahlkonig E80 Supreme.